Okay, so I figured I would start the weekend vlog now. Not much really that we have planned for the weekend. It's supposed to rain again. But I'm thinking that we may end up going grocery shopping tonight. So I'm going to videotape that and try to make Patrick film me doing a grocery haul. And these baby hairs, oh, I just hate them. But I wanted to get on camera and say, I have been obsessed, like, it's a problem, with Ghost Adventures, Ghost Hunters, Destination Truth, like, anything, like, documentary, like, ghost, paranormal stuff, for, like, the past month. I don't know if it's just because it's Halloween, and, you know, it's, like, scary in the air, or if it's getting colder. Because I remember when I was younger, me and my brother used to watch Ghost Hunters. What was it, like Wednesday nights? I remember he used to come over and we used to watch it. So, yeah. So, currently, that's what I was doing while I was doing my makeup, was watching Ghost Adventures on Netflix. They finally added another season, so that's what I'm watching. I know. Lame, but me. We are all out of ketchup, and it's making me really sad. But these are Ivans, all chicken nuggets, and they're gluten-free. But I'm gonna eat them, and then finish watching, where'd Ghost Adventures go? Some Ghost Adventures stuff. Because y'all know. Oh my god. That's the garbage people. Oh my god, that's kind of scary.
Tried to have the three of us investigate by ourselves. While I suit up to prepare myself for Vlad Dracula's jail cell, Nick and I
and we're all out of ketchup, so this is barbecue sauce life. God bless you. So it's 11:39, and this is still happening. So, but I'm actually going to take my makeup off and go to bed, because I just got out of work and I am tired now. I just gave Groot a bath because I let them out and didn't notice that it started raining and Stark had rolled him around in puddles. So, he got a bath. So, Stark cried while he was in the bathroom. But man, do they play fight? Ow! Groot! Your butt! Stark always goes for the penis, and I don't know why. Hey, love. Don't get mommy in the fight. Hey. Stop. It's love. It's time to love. Okay, say goodnight for now. Say goodnight. Good night. And Patrick's out here with his friends. Doing card stuff, I don't know. Not into that. And there's Mr. Ghostman. And there's Mr. Stethoscope. And there's a tattoo. Thinking about making a tattoo video, but I only have 2. But I do have a few piercings that I've had in my life. So, probably not. Just because I don't have that many. But I could do my experience of getting a tattoo. Maybe. Then maybe. So today is Saturday? Yeah. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We're both here. Hey, it's still raining. Like, there's some leaves in my window because Patrick doesn't do that. But it's still raining on and off. But we're headed to the grocery store because Groot wouldn't really eat his food last night at all, even when we put some like wet food on top of it. So we're gonna go back to the store and try to grab something else to see if he'll eat that, because he did throw up this morning, just white stuff. So I feel bad. He's always the one that gets sick. But it may also be because of the storms, so I'm not 100% sure.
He's the sickly child.
But we probably baby him too much.
Sacrifice him with great love Satan.
Yep, that's what I should say. So, and it's just gross out. So it's currently not raining, so they're outside. So hopefully, if he throws up outside. But it was nothing like food, so I know that he's just hungry. So, should we get?
I figured we'd keep him one of these again.
Try one of those. You liked those before.
Two of the chicken and wild rice.
Yeah.
He held it.
I'm having for breakfast. I have 3 eggs with some pepper and a green tea. And Patrick had some sort of cinnamon bun thing. Trying to get this little guy to eat. Come on, Groot. Come in. Okay, so today's Sunday, and as you can hear, it is raining. I'm out in my backyard. Groot, no. Come here. You can eat from here. And Groot has not been eating since Friday. So right now he is currently eating. I ended up giving the vet a call just because anything we did was not working. We wetted his dry food. We gave him wet food on top of the dry food. Just gave him wet food. And nothing was working. We tried to give him, rice and ground meat. And that wasn't working. Because
Stark's going haywire on the couch.
Yeah. His tummy was really upset. So I brought him out here because he had just eaten. We got him like a little Beneful tub. Of just like the wet food and just like the rice and chicken one, and he ate that finally, and we gave him a Pepsid about 2 hours ago, and he just kind of took it with some cheese and just passed out. But I went, and the doctor kind of walked me through listening to what his stomach sounded like through my stethoscope, what it should sound like, what it shouldn't sound like. Palpating his stomach to see if there's actually a blockage or if intestinals were kind of turned, because he is a big dog breed and they tend to have that issue. Come on, Groot. Come in. Also, another reason we are still separating them, even though he just ate, he still could have a bug, and I just don't want him to pass it on to Stark, even though Stark probably has it, but I just want to lessen my chances. But Groot,
You're fine. Your brother's fine.
but we ended up giving him a Pepsid, Just the normal over-the-counter brand. Well, I think that's the only brand you can get at Pepsi. No, that's candy. But they say 1 milligram for every pound, and he's 40 pounds, so I just gave him 1, because that's what the vet told us to do. So, but now it's going to be keeping him away from Stark for a little bit, just to make sure, because he just ate. I don't want him throwing up because he's running around on a sort of empty stomach and medication. So, and he did sleep a little bit here, but his tummy has stopped growling. I mean, if I videotaped before, his tummy was making so much noise, like that gurgling noise, and I felt so bad. Groot. But now he's like, he can hear Stark, so he's like, I don't care about you. My brother's right there. No, Stark. They love each other so much. So, last night, Groot finally ate. We only gave him a little bit of wet food. And I gave him a little bit of wet food and some dry food this morning with a little bit of water. He's not dehydrated at all, so I'm not too worried about him now. I just think he had an upset stomach. But the Pepsid seemed to work, so I am quite happy with that. So now I'm headed back off to class, and I am so tired this morning. Like, I could curl back up in bed and sleep for another few hours. I got 20 minutes to get to class, and I'm almost to school. I just finished some of my study guides.